Every year, the Department of Multicultural Student Engagement, MSE for short, hosts an event to demonstrate Augusta University's unity on campus through the creativity of students.
It's the longest running event in the office of the MSE. It used to be paired with Values Week, specifically the pillar of inclusivity.
The Unity Talent and Art Show used to be just the Unity Talent Show, but starting last semester, they are emphasizing the art portion.
People weren't completely aware of the art portion of it.
I've heard some people wanting to turn in like photograph art or like maybe pottery, stuff like that. And then we also have like singers, dancers.
From freshmen to graduates, all can participate and have a chance of winning a scholarship.
We score the art and performance different, and so they each have their own grading rubric, and they each have a first and second place, and each first and second place get a nice little award, and then they also both get a scholarship.
The event will take place on November 14th at 6 p.m. in the Maxwell Theater.
We program and invite all other levels, graduate, medical, dental, all of them to participate in our events.
For more information, visit calendar.augusta.edu/event.